Well, everyone, iOS 26.5.2 has officially came out, so let's go and take a look at it on the iPhone 14 Pro and see if it's worth installing. Now, the number one thing I can definitely tell you is that this type of software update is definitely going to be able to be a really good update for the most part. And with an update like this, it's basically going to be able to fix a couple of different bug fixes. So that's all you're getting here, not really any new features, not anything super crazy. All you're getting are just some bug fixes and different types of improvements from that side. Now, with this type of iPhone with the 14 Pro, some of the biggest changes are within WebKit for Safari. So there were some issues kind of going on before where there could have been some sort of data leak or something like that. And Apple has gone through and basically fixed and addressed this problem now. So we are no longer basically going to be running into this type of issue where it's just going to be these, data leaking type of problems for this, for the layout that we had before. So that is a really good, important thing that Apple ended up doing here. So I really am really happy about that. And that is really why the iOS 26.5.2 is a very important update. So if you haven't updated yet, I definitely do think it makes a lot of sense to do that because that is definitely going to be fixing and addressing these types of problems. So in terms of that covers that up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.